Kani ka video kadai halor jong ka jingduai ka ban long la shay singi ka arpho artrik jong banai ma cha jar pho ta kani ka an shay pi ka nom dal kunu jingi kandu shay ka singi henre phila ban le kani ki ni jingduai ha ki sem ki jong pi le ki nu ki jaga ba pi dan marwai le ni bi ba hi ngasem ni ba ik ba ki jong pi phila ban sha jinget phila ban duai ka nu ka benta jong ka singi dai le kani na benta kari ka jaj ban riu patam ta ka perte hi bro khwai na tai tu ban kam nganai philai tli ki mat bengi ni la bai duai lang baka ta kalong in duai nam ta jinget jongi shimet in duai ka jingkermen bengi la bana chiliang na pring kini ye baro pat ka jingi ban te song yangi ban pelong i kawai haki por bukum kini ka jingpang kala ban le kala ban wan na shay kala ban wan kawai ndai ka ban kongsan hi yam ta kalong ka jingkermen ka jingi ba ka jingi ka ban keren ro khatin phareng na dai tu ki bam smooth ho ya ka khatin khasi. With this, I would like to call upon a day of prayer for everyone coming from different faith or background or denomination. We will call. I call upon a day of prayer on the 22nd of March 2020. We will all join together in prayer from anywhere you are. You need not come together as one, but actually you can do this from your family, from your homes and your family with your loved ones. Do this for the sake of your loved ones. Do this for your land, for your country. Do this for the world as a whole. We will pray for hope. We will pray for faith. We will pray for love. Sickness will come and go, but what we need at the moment is hope, faith, and love. Share this video as much as you can. My name is Ferdinand Rani. Thank you.